Wood smoke drifting over a backyard fence triggers something primal. It makes you want to cook meat over an open flame. But when it's time to finally buy a serious outdoor cooker, you hit a massive divide. Traeger versus Big Green Egg. This isn't just a choice between two grills. It is a choice between a microchip and a matchstick. Absolute convenience versus traditional craft. If you are standing at this crossroads with your credit card ready, let me explain exactly what you are signing up for. The philosophy of fuel. Here is what matters right out of the gate. These two machines use completely different sources of energy. The Traeger is a pellet grill. It requires a standard electrical outlet to function. You pour bags of compressed sawdust pellets into a hopper attached to the side of the barrel. Inside the machine, a motorized auger slowly pushes these pellets into a small fire pot, where an induction fan stokes the flame. The entire system is governed by a digital thermometer and a computer board. It is highly engineered, completely uniform, and entirely dependent on electricity. The Big Green Egg operates on a much older frequency. It is a Kamado-style grill made of thick ceramic. There are no power cords, no motors, and no digital displays. Your fuel is hardwood lump charcoal. This is not the uniform charcoal briquettes you buy at the grocery store for a cheap summer cookout. Lump charcoal looks like actual pieces of a tree that have been charred in a kiln. You light it with a fire starter, and from that moment on, you are dealing with a living, breathing fire. You control the heat entirely through oxygen flow. The reality of daily use. When it comes to ease of use, the Traeger is the undisputed champion. It is essentially an outdoor convection oven. You turn a dial or press a button on your smartphone to set the temperature to 250 degrees. Within 15 minutes, the grill is at exactly 250 degrees. It will stay there until it runs out of pellets. You can put a pork shoulder on the grates at midnight, go back to bed, and sleep soundly, knowing the machine is doing the work. It is brilliant for busy people. The Big Green Egg demands your attention. There is a distinct learning curve to mastering the vents. To raise the temperature, you slide the bottom draft door open to let more oxygen hit the coals. To lower it, you choke the oxygen off by closing the top daisy wheel. If you overshoot your target temperature by 50 degrees, bringing that massive ceramic dome back down to a lower heat takes a long time. You cannot just turn a dial. You have to learn the subtle art of fire management. For some people, this sounds like a tedious chore. For others, managing the fire is the entire point of barbecue. Temperature range and the searing problem. Let me explain a physical limitation of the Traeger. Because the fire is contained in a small pot beneath a heavy metal drip tray, you are almost entirely cooking with indirect, ambient heat. The Traeger is spectacular at smoking ribs, roasting whole chickens, or baking an apple pie. But it fundamentally struggles to get hotter than 500 degrees. If you want to drop a thick ribeye onto the grates and get a dark, crusty, steakhouse-quality sear, you will be disappointed. The ambient heat will cook the inside of the steak perfectly, but the outside will look pale and unappealing. The Big Green Egg does not have this problem. It is a master of extreme versatility. Because of the efficient airflow and the incredible insulation of the thick walls, you can dial the egg down to 225 degrees and hold it there for an 18-hour brisket cook. But if you open the vents all the way, you can easily push the temperature past 700 degrees. At that heat, the lump charcoal glows like a jet engine. You can sear a steak in 2 minutes, or you can slide a pizza stone onto the grates and bake a Neapolitan-style pizza in 90 seconds. The egg gives you access to a massive spectrum of cooking temperatures. The Nuance of Flavor. Smoke flavor is deeply subjective, but there is a clear difference between these two machines. The Traeger produces a very clean, somewhat mild, and slightly sweet smoke. Because the computer is constantly feeding tiny amounts of fuel to maintain a precise temperature, the fire burns very efficiently. Efficient fires produce less smoke. This means the flavor imparted on the meat is subtle. It is incredibly difficult to over-smoke food on a pellet grill, which makes it very forgiving for beginners. However, many traditional barbecue enthusiasts find the Traeger flavor profile too weak. They also note that a pellet grill struggles to produce the thick, crunchy bark on a brisket that you expect from a great barbecue joint. The Big Green Egg delivers a much more robust and traditional flavor. Burning real chunks of hardwood charcoal creates a deeper, more complex smoke profile. You can also bury large chunks of apple, hickory, or oak wood deep into the charcoal to customize your smoke. The radiant heat from the glowing coals and the intense moisture retention of the sealed ceramic chamber work together to develop a vastly superior crust on large cuts of meat. When you eat food cooked on an egg, you know definitively that it was cooked over a real fire. Heat retention and weather resistance. If you live in a climate with harsh winters, pay close attention to this. The Traeger is built from painted or powder-coated steel. Metal is a terrible insulator. When the outside air temperature drops below freezing, the steel barrel constantly bleeds heat into the atmosphere. The internal computer recognizes this temperature drop and starts feeding pellets into the fire at an alarming rate just to keep the grill warm. Cooking a long recipe in December will burn through bags of pellets and cost you a significant amount of money. The Big Green Egg completely ignores the outside weather. The ceramic walls are derived from materials originally developed by the space program. They are incredibly thick and heavily insulated. Once the ceramic absorbs the heat from the charcoal, it holds onto it aggressively. You can cook a turkey on Thanksgiving in the middle of a blizzard, and the egg will hold a perfectly steady temperature while using barely any charcoal. Wind, rain, and snow simply do not impact the cooking environment inside that dome. Durability and maintenance. Things break. That is a reality of consumer products. The Traeger is a machine filled with moving parts. It has an auger motor, an induction fan, an electronic motherboard, and a digital thermometer. Eventually, one of these electrical components will fail and require a replacement. The steel body can also rust over time if left uncovered in the rain. Furthermore, pellet grills require frequent and tedious cleaning. You have to remove the grates and the heavy drip tray to vacuum out the pellet ash from the fire pot. Otherwise, the grill will eventually jam or catch fire. The Big Green Egg is essentially a giant clay pot. There are exactly 0 moving parts to break. There are no wires to short out and no motors to burn up. If you treat it well, an egg will easily outlive you. It is the definition of an heirloom product that you can pass down to your kids. Maintenance is also remarkably simple. The intense heat of the charcoal burns off most grease and food residue automatically. Every few cooks, you simply take an ash tool and scrape the small amount of charcoal dust out of the bottom vent. The burden of portability. There is one distinct disadvantage to owning an egg, and it comes down to sheer mass. A large Big Green Egg weighs over 160 pounds, and that does not include the heavy wooden table or rolling nest you need to support it. Moving an egg is a terrifying and dangerous process. It requires multiple strong people and a lot of careful planning. Once you find a spot for it on your patio, you generally do not want to move it ever again. The Traeger is heavy, but it is built entirely differently. Most models are designed with sturdy legs and large wheels. You can comfortably grab the handle and roll the grill across a wooden deck or a concrete patio by yourself. If you need to rearrange your outdoor living space for a party, moving the Traeger takes 10 seconds. They even manufacture dedicated portable models with folding legs that you can throw into the back of a truck for tailgating. You cannot take an egg to a football game. So, who wins? You are choosing between managing a machine and managing a fire. Buy a Traeger if you value predictability and time above all else. It is the perfect tool for the busy cook who wants to throw dinner on the grill after a long day at work without any stress. Buy a big green egg if you care deeply about the craft. It is for the person who wants maximum versatility, from cold smoking salmon to baking bread to searing steaks at terrifying temperatures.